If you ever feel like an outsider, remember that you can only be outside of society. If you are alive in this world, you're an insider. You're part of a bigger whole that has infinite support for you, and you always belong. It is only when we are exiled from the family, when we are exiled from our peer group, when we are exiled, or if we're standing on the outside of a certain structure that is man-made, do we feel left out and not included. But if you're here, if you're listening to this, if you can look around, if you can take a breath, you are not an outsider. You are inside of it with the rest of us. And life has decided to sprout you like a little plant from the ground. Life has decided we need an I create lines in this life. We need a John in this life. We need a Mary in this life. We need a Peter in this life. So let's grow one and give it nourishment and give it love. And it's only in this illusion that we're not all children and brothers and sisters, and then we exclude and then we separate, is why you feel like an outsider. So trust and feel this immense support that life has for you, because nature doesn't waste anything. Nature doesn't waste resources, the minerals, the silica, the everything that has gotten into you so you can be here. Nature doesn't waste anything. So you're not a waste. You're not here without a purpose. So you're included. You're an insider, relevant as the rest of us.